2015 Chevy Camaro V6. We got something special on this one. It's got 4 catalytic converters, 2 on each side. Then it's got a factory H pipe. Then somebody else deleted the resonators for him, or the mid mufflers. And he brought it to us and we put a bolt-on kit for him. There and there. Nothing fits, so we had to weld everything and cut it up to make it fit. That's what it looks like right there. And right there. So we had to weld everything up for him. Some bolt up. NDPR or something. I don't have the name for it. Anyways, I'll get you the name in a second on the second video. But like always, guys, please subscribe. There it is, right there. And right there. Came out really nice, really clean. So on this Camaro, apparently it's a Rev 9 system off eBay. Bolt-on system, but that didn't fit. So we chopped it up to make it fit. There's the 2 rear resonators we cut off right there. And put these in their place. Rev 9. Go ahead. Woo! I like it. That don't sound too bad at all. It's a V6 Chevy Camaro. Yeah, sounds really good. Sound decibels, go ahead. It peaked at 107. Go ahead and back it up. Give it gas. Rev. Let you guys hear on the inside. Chevy Camaro V6 Rev 9 exhaust. That's what it sounds like. Chevy Camaro V6 6-speed auto. Oh, not auto. Stick shift. Sorry, guys. Anyways, this one's got 4 catalytic converters, California edition. And then it had an H pipe in here in the middle. We took that out. He wants it as loud as possible. And had 2 resonators there we took out. So it's got straight, it's true dual all the way back, straight pipe. It's got 2 1/4 pipe all the way back. And then we did a rear muffler delete also, there and there. As you guys can see, into 5-inch roll tips. There and there. This is everything we cut off. There's the 2 resonators, the H pipe, and the rear mufflers right there. And we replaced them with this. It looks a lot better. And like always, guys, please subscribe. It really helps us out. Keeps the algorithms going and all that good stuff. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Oh my God. Put it to 4,000 RPM. Oh shit. That was 126. Again? 127. It's 127. All right, go ahead and back it out. Oh my God, it's so loud. That is crazy. That's one of the loudest we've done so far. Oh yeah, bro.
Oh my god. That's gonna be loud.
Wow, my ears, man. Woo. I can't even hear it no more. I don't hear anything. It's so loud. It's awesome. Go ahead. Ah, that's awesome. What makes it better? Because it's a manual. Dude, that's awesome. Oh my god, it's so loud. Alright guys, tell us what you guys think. Chevy Camaro. That's awesome. These phones. 2015 Chevy Camaro V6. This is the one that did circles when it left last time. We'll see what he'll do this time. He brought it back. It was a little bit too loud. He wanted it to tone it down a little bit, give it a little bit more deeper sound. So this is what we did on it. We got 4 converters, as you guys can see them, there and there. Then we did a mid resonator delete right there a while back. And then he ordered some Vibrant stainless steel resonators, standard bottle style, part number VIB 1792. And we put them in the middle, right there, nice and shiny, as you guys can see. And then it's continued true dual all the way back, straight pipe there and there. That was done a long time ago. I don't think we did it, somebody else did it. But we're probably gonna talk him into changing those up too. He needs them, it's about time for him. He's got that massive wing. But there they are, that's the Vibrants right there. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Chevy Camaro V6. That's better. It's more toned now. A little bit toned. Woohoo! Oh my god. We need something in the back, man. We need some INOMAX race bolts in the back. Again? 118, bro. That's loud. Go ahead and back it up. Yeah, we gotta redo the back. I looked at them and they're rough. We gotta clean them up for you. Whenever you're ready, just holler at us. I think it put either INOMAX bullets or even some Vibrant ones, but a little bit bigger to tone down that rasp in it, to clean up the sound more. But it sounds good at idle now. It's not as bad. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Camaro 2014 ZL1 bumper. What are you doing, man? Get in a March shot.
Get in what? Chevy Camaro RS V6 California edition.
all the way from California. He drove it. It's got 2 converters, one on the mains, then 2 secondaries. Then it's got 2 1/4, and we true dualed it. There was a resonator on it right there. We cut it off. And then there was this gigantic muffler. We cut it off and put some INOMAX race bullets, 24 250s, there and there. And then some quad tips, 5-inch outlets, right there and right there. As you guys can see, came out absolutely beautiful. He changed the rear valence to make it fit the new tips, so it came out really nice, really clean. There it is, all the way. So that's what you do with these. You get that muffler off, and you put quad tips on it. Why? Why not? There you go. Let us know what you guys think in the comments. There'll be a link in the description for everything. So. Wow. Sounds like a INOMAX race bullets, baby. Never disappoint. Give it gas. 121, bro. Definitely not legal in California. But we're getting that license plate off anyways. Nah. We're gonna make it Tennessee, baby. Dude, that sounds sick. I like it. Again? Let you guys hear it on that. Those INOMAX bullets, guys, they never disappoint. They always sound so good on anything we put them on, especially when you put them out the back. The farther back they are, the better they sound. '20 Camaro. Chevy Camaro RS V6. It's got stock converters there and there, and then it's got 2.5-inch pipe into secondary converters right there, so it's a California edition. Then it had a resonator right there. I don't know where you put it, but we cut it out and he wanted an X pipe in its place, so we put him a True Flow X pipe right there. Then continued it. He still got the valves on it there and there. And then he brought us a BORLA axle back system, BORLA ATAK. There and there, we installed it for him. Right there and right there. There's the resonator we cut off, as you guys can see. The BORLA ATAK system, we'll get you a link in the description for it. We threw the box away already. Sorry, guys. Or I would have had numbers for you. And we'll put you a link for the X pipe also. And like always, guys, please like, subscribe, comment, all that beautiful stuff you guys do to keep us going and keep us growing. We really appreciate it. And share, share, share. Woo! I like it. Chevy Camaro with BORLA ATAKs and X-Pipe. What do you guys think? I like it. Here's sound decibels. Again. Right at 106. Go ahead and back it up. Looks good with those tips too. Not a bad setup. Black wheels. Just murdered all the way out. Needs the lights black too. And the emblem. Let you guys hear on the inside. Is it going higher? Chevy Camaro